versus watermelon. The original versus this yellow watermelon. Oh my goodness. I don't know how it's excited. Alright, so
we're gonna do a part 2 soon.
We're back.
We're back. Look at this. Oh my god.
And look at this.
And look who we got.
Look at our special guest.
We got Snow. Snow. I'm not gonna say that word because he think he can EAT if I say EAT. Alright, but anyway, so as you can see, watermelon versus watermelon. We got the red versus the yellow. So, Snow, you ready to eat that watermelon? Which one you want to eat, Snow?
You gotta eat this first.
Snow, which one you want to eat?
That. Let's eat.
Snow, go ahead, eat.
Which one you gonna eat?
You can eat.
Go ahead, eat. Pick that.
Pick one.
Pick one. Go ahead, eat, Snow. Go ahead, you can eat.
Eat. Yeah, eat.
Oh, he picked the yellow.
Alright.
So, eat the yellow. It tastes good?
This looks like the original, but
It's good.
juicy.
So Snow's he's eating both. Snow's, yeah, Snow's eating both. Dang, Snow. Snow, you supposed to eat in the plate. But anyway, so y'all like it's good?
It's good.
Let the juice rinse your mouth.
Dang, Snow.
Juicy.
It's juicy.
It's
Okay.
buzzing.
More.
Snow. Dang. Alright, so it tastes just like the regular, so it just tastes like watermelon.
Just
so
the color's different.
It's just the color's different.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, okay.
You're good. You can tell me like it.
Dang, Snow. Snow, you tearing it up. It's good? That's good, Snow?
Look around.
Snow making a mess. Look at this mess Snow making. Just to eat on the plate.
Let's go. You gonna stay on
Dang, look at this mess Snow making. Look, Sanaya spilled grape Kool-Aid on his head. I don't know if y'all can tell. But yeah, so Snow.
You don't see it.
All the way, not no more. Snow, it tastes good?
Oh my goodness.
Yo, he tearing that up, so. Okay. Don't worry, we took the seeds out.
Yeah.
No dogs can't have the seeds. Right, Snow? Okay. So, this is good then. This is a thumbs up. Kamora mentioned something about a pink mango.
Yeah.
Pink mango.
I don't know. I never heard of it.
I think I've seen it before.
A pink mango, so we're going to have to go look for a pink mango. I never heard of a pink.
You don't see it.
Pink, no more?
I think it costs $10,000.
I don't know what Kamora's talking about.
I think it costs $10,000. I don't know.
But you said you seen the pink mango?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to stay tuned for that. We're going to try to get the pink mango. We got to see where they have it at. Right now, we are in New York, so I don't know if they have that pink mango in New York. But anyways.
Can I get a second piece?
Yeah, but wait. Okay, so.
Oh, Snow got one more.
Dang, Snow. Snow tore that up. Oh my goodness, Snow.
Hey, made a mess
But he made a mess on the floor.
on the chair.
Alright, so.
Look at it now.
Snow, let me see. Snow, you wanna eat? You wanna eat?
You eat? I want to eat. Oh, you so cute.
He's looking at Momo's.
You want more?
He's looking at
You can eat
Momo's.
this. But hold on, I gotta
No,
eat.
he can't have that. But yeah, so.
No, you can't have this part.
We hope y'all enjoyed this little
Yes.
short video. Y'all know we like to review things, so this is something that they wanted to review. Watermelon versus watermelon, the red versus yellow. So, with that being said, give this video a big thumbs up. Press that bell button. Subscribe to be a part of the Kreative Squad. We out.